Hi, this video continues a current series on troubleshooting prints. This time we're covering warping and cracking. If you haven't seen our previous video, which covers first layer issues, you can check it out here. It might actually save you having some of the problems that we show in this video. Alright, let's go! Infill is one of the first things you should look at, especially with ABS or other filaments that like to shrink. Having a lot of infill will really increase the stresses within the model and cause them to lift. Try dropping the infill down to 10 or 15%. I never print at more than 20%, and most of the time 10% is plenty. Wall thickness is another factor. Unless you're trying to make a really strong object, there's not a good reason to have more than 2 or 3 walls in your model. Every wall you add is more material that's attempting to shrink inward and will try and pull your model off the bed, which will eventually lead to this. Probably the most common cause of cracking in prints is airflow. It could be an air conditioning vent or an open window, but too much airflow around the model accelerates the rate of cooling on one section and will most likely cause the print to crack. You should keep the printer shielded from breezes for the entire print if you can. You can use paper, plastic, shower curtains or cardboard. Anything to keep the breeze from affecting the print. One of my customers designed these awesome breeze shields, so I had some made up, and in honor of him we've named them Lloyd guards. They keep the breezes from your prints and they look awesome while doing it. A low filament temperature will most likely be the other major cause of cracking. Generally, printing with lower temperatures will result in a weaker layer bond. As shown here, the right side of this print was printed at 220 degrees, while the left side was at 230. Going too high will cause issues as well, but for most filaments you'll want to find a temperature that approaches the high end of the filament's range in order to get the best interlayer bond. I've made a video which explains this one in more detail. You can check it out here, or you can find the link in the description. I hope that video was useful. Let me know in the comments if there's a topic you want me to cover. Also, in the previous video, someone mentioned that hairspray is an awesome bed adhesive. I deliberately left it out since I don't own any hairspray or hair.